All right. Good morning, traders. Today is July 24th, 2024. My name is John Carrigan. I moderate the BYOB trading room. Thank you for being here. Everybody here in the room with me and everybody out there in digital land. And I'm talking about Facebook and Rumble and YouTube. All of my subscribers, thank you so much for all of the kind comments. My SPY pivot this morning remains at 552.45. Above it, I'm a bull. Below it, I'm a bear. All of the Fab 5 remain in daily uptrends except for FNGU. Okay, FNGU is still in a downtrend. FNGU QQQ made outside days closing below bearish traps under the 17 EMAs. SPY made a higher high and a higher low closing under a bearish trap, under a 17 EMA with a 2-hour downtrend and a 10-minute downtrend. So they were yesterday above all-time high anchored VWAP and they kind of lost it. Diamond Dow made a higher high and a higher low closing under the bullish trap but over the 17 EMA. Still remains rocking good. IWM, same thing, made a higher high, higher low, closing over the bullish trap, over the 17 EMA. Still remains rocking good. Silver and gold, both in uptrends, barely. Well, silver's about to lose it. Gold is doing quite well. Gold made a higher high and a higher low, closing beneath a bearish trap, but over the 17 EMA, while silver made a higher high and a higher low, closing under a bearish trap under the 17 EMA. UNG still in a downtrend, made a lower low and a lower high, closing under the bearish trap under the 17 EMA. USO in a downtrend still, made a lower high and a lower low, closing under a bearish trap under the 17 EMA. US dollar index still in a downtrend, closed near the 104.47 area. All right, let's go take a look at some charts. First chart, SPY. Let's look at it on the 10-minute. Okay, 10-minute, kind of flat. Looking for a consolidation breakout here. Sharp move down. Not a sharp move down, but a drift down there. Okay, on the 10-minute, we left off with a 10-minute downtrend. And then what we have here is a bear flag. Probably could be another move to the downside. We'll see what happens. 2-hour. 2-hour, we left off with a 2-hour cross. A bearish cross, almost a 2-hour downtrend right there. Okay, if you look at the post-market, pre-market, we are in a 2-hour downtrend. So there's SPY on the 2-hour. On the daily, till we break this low, we're still in an uptrend. All right, price action for yesterday, higher high, higher low. Okay, but closing under bearish trap under the 17 EMA. So kind of losing it here. Need the bulls to step up if they're going to step up. All right, let's take a look at QQQ. QQQ, yesterday's price action. You can see here outside day, lower low, higher high, closing under bearish trap under the 17 EMA. FNGU, same deal. Okay, got a lower low and a higher high, closing under the bearish trap under the 17 EMA. Okay, so bearish trap is the 3 below the 8. Okay, so that's the bearish trap, and you're below the 17 EMA. Okay, you could have a bearish trap above the 17 EMA. So there's QQQ and FNGU. Now, go look at some good stuff. Diamond Dow in a nice uptrend till they break this low down here. Okay, Diamond Dow, yesterday's price action. We got a higher low, higher high, closing under a bullish trap, but over the 17 EMA. IWM, that'd be the Russell 2000. A little bit better than Diamond Dow. Higher low, higher high, closing over bullish trap over the rising 17 EMA. IWM rocking good. All right, let's take a look at our technicals. T2122 spent the day in the buy zone, even though the SPY drifted lower. For the majority of the stocks in the NYSE, they drifted higher. So we stayed in the buy zone almost all day, maybe except for this first candle. We were in the buyer's chop zone right there. Other than that, all day long in the buy zone. T2123, you can see right here, green from beginning of the day to the end of the day. 3-bar chart, green, all three right there. Over the 200 SMA on the 3-bar, over the 200 SMA on the 15-minute. Let's take a look at FNGU. Hey, let's go back and look at that. Was that some new all-time highs there? Oh, that's close. Look at that. That was close yesterday. So they're grinding it up. We might see new all-time highs today. All right, FNGU, yesterday, price action, this post-market. I guess Google didn't turn out the favorable numbers we were looking for, and I was looking for price action to bounce on, to get up on top or shoot up on top of here of this rolling over 200 SMA. Couldn't quite get it done. And you can see yesterday's price action. Let's zoom in a little bit closer and move this over. Okay, got some. We got some buying at the beginning of the day, and then just chop from the rest of the day. Not selling, but not buying. All right, just kind of chop right through here, going into Google earnings that came in last night. So just a whole lot of chop right underneath VWAP right there. And then you can see Google earnings came in, and then we had the meltdown. Didn't make a lower low. That's a good news. All right, we'll see where we are this morning, but that's not a lower low. We could bounce back up over the 200. We'll see what we're going to do. All right, so those are our indicators. Let's take a look at energy. Start off with USO in a downtrend. USO in a downtrend because we got lower highs and lower lows. Yesterday's price action right here, lower high, lower low, closing under the bearish trap, under the 17 EMA. So USO in a downtrend. UNG, same deal, in a downtrend. Price action yesterday for UNG, lower high, lower low, closing under bearish trap, under the 17 EMA. UNG still in a downtrend. Okay, take a look at some precious metals. First one, silver. All right, silver dangerously close to becoming a downtrend if it takes out this low. Silver's price action for yesterday is a higher low and a higher high, closing under a bearish trap under the 17 EMA. That's silver. Gold, looking a little bit better and a little bit sharper. Okay, so gold's got to take out this low right here. Unless, of course, they create another high here, and then that will be the low that they need to take out. But anyways, gold and silver both still in uptrends. Energy in a downtrend. Gold and silver. Here's gold. Yesterday's price action. Higher low, higher high, closing under a bearish trap. Just a squeaky bearish trap right there. Over the 17 EMA. So there's silver and gold. Let's take a look at the economic calendar. Oh, wait, let's go take a look at some sectors. SMH. How's the SMH doing this morning? Still in a downtrend. Why? Because we broke this low. Price action for SMH inside day. All right, but still in a downtrend. All right, let's take a look at XLK. Technology sector. Still in a downtrend since we broke this low right here. Okay. Technology, higher high, higher low, closing under the bearish trap, under the 17. Still in a downtrend on technology and the SMH. Let's take a look at the financials. And the financials are rocking good. They are in a really nice uptrend here, making new all-time highs here, 2 or 3, last week anyways. Right there. Yesterday's price action. Higher low, higher high, closing just on top of that bullish trap over the 17 EMA. Financials in an uptrend. Technology and semiconductors, not. All right? Small caps and mid caps in an uptrend. Big caps, not. All right? So let's take a look at transports. Wow, look at that candle. Pretty much telling you that's the end of the move there, huh? I mean, look at that big candle at the end of the move. Know your big candles, people. Right there, that's what it's all about. Big candle at the end of the move. Could be the end of the day, could be the end of that move. Pretty much telling us that's the end of the move there. All right, so there's a daily chart for transports. Transports are in an uptrend ever since we took out this high and this high right here, okay? Just because we're back below them does not make us in a downtrend. We have to take out a low. So if they take out this low, this breakup candle low right there, they take that out and they'll be in a downtrend. Right now they're still in an uptrend, just really pulling back. Okay, so yesterday's price action, lower high, lower low, closing underneath, bearish trap underneath the 17 EMA. Gosh, they lost, what did they lose? 3/4 of that? 2/3. So they lost 2/3 of all that. Come on, transports. All right, let's go take a look at economic calendar. See what we got here on the economic calendar. Here we go. All right, tomorrow, main event, GDP, 8:30 in the morning. Today, what do we have? PMI composite flash, 9:45. New home sales, 10 o'clock. Petroleum report at 10:30, and that's it. Easy day, right? All right, Thursday, big day, Thursday. Durable goods, 8:30. GDP, 8:30. International trade in goods, 8:30. Jobless claims, 8:30. Retail inventories, 8:30. Wholesale inventories, 8:30. And a natural gas report at 10:30. Big day. Tomorrow's main event, GDP. GDP measures the goods and services that we sell from the United States out to the rest of the world. That would be our exports of goods and services to the rest of the world. That means that would be revenue coming in to the United States. All right, Friday. That's what that measures. That's economic data. All right, Friday, what do we got? We got personal income and outlays at 8:30, consumer sentiment at 10, and a rig count at 1 o'clock, which is pretty normal. All right, so let's take a look at Max Payne. Can we get it? Hey, we got it. All right, this is for the options that do expire today. Max Payne is 554. Just want to take a look one more time at the SPY. Pretty sure. Yeah, we're under 554 big time. All right, so put to call ratio, 1 put for every call. We're well underneath 554. Earnings calendar, we had Google reporting last night. And like I said, when you got $4.5 trillion of market cap reporting at one swoop, all right, you're going to get in one of those weighted securities, you're going to get some market movement. So you can see we came right off of 554 straight down to 549 I saw us at. All right, this morning, Thermo Fisher Scientific, $208 billion. Fomento Economico Mercado, Mexicano, $194 billion. And then Internet IBM in the evening tonight, $169 billion. ServiceNow, $155 billion. NextEra Energy, $149. Okay, just a lot of familiar names. AT&T, you see them all there. Clack, the rest of them. All right, got a lot of market cap reporting. Some this morning, some in the evening. All right, so it's looking good. It's got a little bit of market cap reporting in the morning. It's not like yesterday though, where we had Google report. Some of these will probably, most of these will probably not move the market. Not like Google will. All right, so let's go see what's happening tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow, a lot of drug stocks. All right, more market cap. Nothing there that's really going to move and shake the market, but a whole lot of familiar names with a whole lot of market cap there. Okay, you can see AbbVie, $306 billion. AstraZeneca, $245 billion. Lloyd's Banking, $187 billion. Total Energies, $163 billion. And Union Pacific, $148 billion. Friday, we got a light day, all right? Bristol Myers, $86 billion. Colgate Palmolive, again, some familiar names, 3M, T. Rowe Price, Franklin Resources. Okay, some familiar names, but nothing that's really going to shake the market up. Monday, who do we got on Monday? We got McDonald's going to report in the morning, $187 billion. And that's pretty much it. Sumitomo Financial, they're looking for the P&L. That's it. Main event, Thursday, tomorrow, 8:30 in the morning. All right, let's look at the dollar. Dollar is still drifting lower, but in a bear flag. That's a bear flag there. We are in a downtrend. We are in a downtrend ever since we broke this low here and this low here. Okay, so dollar still in a downtrend. Just need it to move down, okay, not up. Going in the wrong direction here. All right, so dollar in a downtrend. Yesterday we closed right up here, 104.47. I do like this bearish engulfing move. That should help out the bulls. I don't know if it will help them out today. All right. So that's it right there. I'm going to take questions in the room. If there's no questions, going to render my video, get that posted up there. And I want to thank everybody for being here. Everybody in Digital Land, everybody here in the room. All right. So for those of you in Digital Land, I'll see you about 4:15. All right. Hey, good morning, Bobby, Marley, B12, everybody, Alan, Gilbert, Lenny G. Okay, so that's it. I'll see you guys. No questions, all right? So